Ever wondered what the secret to making popular YouTube videos is? Well, you're about to find out. Let's unravel the mystery together, breaking it down into clear, easy-to-follow steps. First, let's begin with the tools of the trade. To create YouTube videos, you'll need a few essential items. High on your shopping list should be a good quality camera. It doesn't have to break the bank, but it should be able to capture clear, crisp images. Next, invest in a reliable, sturdy tripod for steady shots. Add to this a good quality microphone for clear audio and some basic lighting equipment to illuminate your shots. Now onto the process of making a YouTube video. It all starts with an idea. Find a topic you're passionate about, something that excites you. This enthusiasm will translate to your audience and keep them engaged. Once you have your idea, it's time to plan. Create a storyboard, jot down your script, and plan your shots. Preparation is key. The next step is shooting your video. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Mix up your angles, your shot sizes, your locations, keep it dynamic and interesting. But also, keep it consistent. Consistency in your style and content is what will build your brand and keep your audience coming back for more. Once the shooting is done, it's time for post-production, or as it's commonly known, editing. This is where the magic happens. Use editing software to cut your footage, add effects, and fine-tune your audio. Remember, less is often more. Keep it clean, keep it simple, and always keep your audience in mind. So, what's the recipe for success on YouTube? It's a blend of quality content, consistency, and a dash of creativity. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and always be open to feedback. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and a whole lot of dedication. To recap, making popular YouTube videos involves having the right equipment, coming up with engaging ideas, planning your content, shooting dynamic and consistent videos, and mastering the art of editing. Mix these elements together, add a sprinkle of patience, and you're on your way to YouTube success. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today. Start creating, start sharing, and let the world see what you have to offer. It's time to make your mark on YouTube.